The third constellation known as Krittika, it means fire, like a razor, symbolically denoted as the 6 wives of a seer, of a saint, known as Krittika. The first part of this nakshatra goes to the sign Aries, Ram, ruled by Mars, and this nakshatra is ruled by Sun. So the first part, 3 degree 20 minutes, the one charan remains in Aries, Ram, and 3 parts the charan goes to the sign Taurus. Astronomers also explains the light of the 6 stars above the Ram and the Taurus, Eta, Kaleno, Electra, Taygeta, Maya and Astrorop. These stars are placed above the toro of the bull, the sign of the Taurus. Tail of the same or little flame is also visible in Ram, the sign Aries, ruled by Mars. The first part of the Krittika ruled by Mars and the Sun. And remember, the Sun is exalted in Aries. So wonderful qualities, persons born in this asterisk, in this nakshatra. They've got wonderful leadership qualities, merciless for abiding by the law, and they become very cruel. The symbol is flame or razor. The ruling planet is Sun. It has got demonish qualities. Animal symbol is sheep, and the directional strength is north. The sounds are A, E, U and A. These are the phonetics, or we call it as vowels. It is kingly, rajas qualities. They are stubborn, aggressive, sex drive is too much. They want to have so many children. As the Krittikas, constellation of the 6 stars, their sex drive is very big. May have difficulties in the dietary habits, maybe a poor eater, but they drink too much. Mostly the people work with the fire, like the goldsmith, or working with the iron, working in mines, anything in the making. But Rajas, because king, good fighters, can go to the army or become presidents of the country or the prime ministers of the country. Fuel, mines, working in kitchen, good research people working in astrology and astronomy. Sometimes they prove to be good scientists also in the astronomy and the space science. The first part of this nakshatra, 3 degree 20 minutes, ruled by the Mars and Venus in the sign Ram. They are thin, aggressive, travelers, easily gets irritated. You cannot hurt their ego. Even with the smallest word, they can burst. If you want to recognize them, they'll have their joined eyebrows. Sometimes looks cruel. Born in the second charan or the part in the sign Taurus, joined with Sun and the Venus, you will find that these people very typical. Walks slowly, walks like a bodybuilder, always keeping their chest up, egoistic. When they're talking, always their eyes are moving here and there because of the combination of the Sun and the Venus. Their soul always traveling from one end to the other end in fraction of seconds. So they are very good thinkers, very good planners, can be good lawyers, can work against the nature, unorthodox people, take refuge of the orthodox values and produce their own values in unorthodox manner. Born in the third part of this nakshatra, the people are very serious looking. They are serious. Always their eyes, not speaking, very mysterious eyes. You will find them walking, sometimes you will find their shoulders down and head also down, looking at the earth, searching something. Born in the fourth part of this nakshatra, the people are really very nice, good for the public, good for the people. People like them, they are good givers. Looks very soft, are also soft-hearted people. But inside of them is very cruel and never able to expose themselves out. You will find them big eyes, very clean eyes, speaking eyes.